All right, so today I'm taking y'all on a little day trip film session with me. Originally, we were gonna do something here at the northern side of the city, film a cool building, drone it out. But at the time of this recording, there's a temporary flight restriction, so I can't do that. So we're gonna pivot. I'm gonna take y'all over to Michigan. All right, so what's in Michigan? I have no idea, I don't really go there. But there's a town called New Buffalo. It's like an hour and some change outside the city. It's not too bad. It's October, it's still not cold outside in Chicago. I don't like that. It's all good. We're gonna go over there, we're gonna pack up the gear. We're gonna maybe get a good burger, a little cafecito, film some stuff, and we're gonna see what we see. So let's do it. Midwest doesn't have a lot of super cool nature, waterfalls and stuff like that unless you go up to the Upper Peninsula, especially here in Chicago. So I like to go off in the little towns and, you know, get some good food and coffee shops and whatnot. There's a lot of good stuff out there. You just got to be willing to throw some on the map and go, you know? First things first, Dunkin', ice shaking espresso. That's the way to go. I'm still gonna get coffee again later. Un cafecito, you know, somewhere like that in a quaint little town. That's my shit. But you gotta start off right with the Dunkin'. I can't remember where I saw New Buffalo, Michigan, somewhere on TikTok or something like that. And I think it was a video of some dude holding like a double cheeseburger and it had pickles on it. And I'm a sucker for a good burger. I saw they had a beach, you know, a lighthouse and whatever. I said, all right, cool. Easy day trip, let's go film some stuff. So that's why I picked that. That's all you need for a day trip. Quick little 1-2. Bye-bye. Film this, film that. You never know. To New Buffalo Beach out here in Michigan. It's nice, it's nice. Still hoping for fall next weekend, but it's real nice. We're out in the dunes. Now typically you don't want your gear out all in the sand like this and whatnot, but it's clean. I'm keeping everything off the ground, and we're gonna fire up the drone, see what we see. Also heard there was a burger joint up here too, like some jumbo burgers. I love me a burger. Some pickles on that. Dang, boy. Let me go see what's up. All right, it's called like Redamak or Redamax. My bad if I'm butchering the pronunciation, but double burger, pickles, pepper jack cheese. Fire, good beer selection. If you're in New Buffalo, come here. Woo! With the cheese curds, they're not as good as the ones as Wisconsin, but I need a coffee. I didn't get one. I came here too late. I missed the day, coffee shops and whatnot, but it's alright. I'll put a little something, you know what I mean?